Hi, let's dive deep into the tools used in data analytics. Microsoft Excel, a widely used spreadsheet program that is great for basic data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. Python, a versatile programming language with libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib that are popular for data analysis, manipulation, and visualization. R program, a programming language specifically designed for statistical computing and data analysis with a wide range of packages and libraries. SQL, structured query language, used for managing and querying relational databases to extract and manipulate data. Tableau, a powerful data visualization tool that allows you to create interactive and shareable dashboards and reports. Power BI, a business analytics tool by Microsoft that allows you to visualize data and share insights. Jupyter Notebook, an open source web application that allows you to create, share documents containing live codes, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. Google Sheets, similar to Excel but web-based, allowing for easy collaboration and sharing of data and analysis. MATLAB, a programming environment often used for numerical computations, data analysis, and creating visualizations. Stay tuned for more insightful content from Shiash Info Solutions. Thank you.